How is it going, guys? Mutemwa here, back again with another video. So guys, in today's video I want us to talk about something, and these are a few things which I wish I knew before starting photography. And you see, I came along a saying which says before you get into something you need to understand it fully, and these are a few things which I wish I knew before starting photography. First thing is you need to be able to freelance. This means you need to avoid everything and just focus on photography. Remember, you are your own boss. You are the CEO, accountant, everything of your brand. So you need to understand when should I buy a new gear, how should I manage my funds, and how should I market my business. And before you start photography, you need to be able to do all these things, and that leads to another point, which is you need to understand social media marketing and social media as a whole. You see, many photographers don't actually want to post their photos online because they feel there's no way I can get clients on Instagram, on Facebook, on TikTok. But guys, I'm a witness. I get all my clients on social media, or everybody. I use Instagram as my portfolio, and that's where I've posted so much of my work, and 3/4 of my clients I get them through Instagram. And these are things I wish I knew. Just immediately I started photography, I should have just focused so much on marketing on social media, because I just focused on posting photos on social media, but I didn't focus on marketing on social media. There's a difference on posting and marketing. Sometimes we tend to post the photos which are best for us, but we don't market our work. So remember, marketing, you are targeting a certain audience, and posting, you just targeting anybody who will see you, just like a content creator. That's what I mean. You need to be able to understand social media and social media marketing. And also the same applies to TikTok. You see, TikTok has so much business, and if you can be able to market your work on TikTok, trust me, you'll be able to grow your photography business. Another thing, you need to be able to work for free. You see, when I was starting photography, I never knew you need to shoot some influencers who are up there so that you can be able to get clients through them. And I came to understand this a year or two later, because I used to I used to just shoot anybody to just put there, but to just post on my Instagram. But I came to understand that you need to approach someone who's up there, and because they are up there, they can't actually pay you because you need them. So you need to approach them, convince them so that you can deliver something to them, and maybe someone else out there, they'll see, if this person has worked with me, with this person, then I'll go there and maybe get a good service, and then you can charge them a certain amount, or charge them with your rate, and that way you can grow your business as a photographer. These are things this is something I wish I knew earlier. Another thing is you need to be very patient. You see, we work with different types of people, and we get treated differently, and it's always said the customer is always right. So you have to be very, very patient with your customers, and that means even if how they treat you, your goal is to deliver some value to them, and then they can pay you. So you need to be very patient with your clients, and that is, you have to honor the days you're delivering. That's all. So hope you learned something from today's video. Those are a few things I wish I knew. Be able to freelance, be able to work for free, understanding social media, be very patient, and another thing also, be very disciplined. Those are things, when you combine them together and be able to market your business, trust me, you'll grow your photography business as fast as possible. Those are things which I apply which I learned some time back, and I applied them to my business, and it's working. Trust me, it will work for you. See you in the next video. And guys, if you have an idea you think I need to put it out there, just comment it below, and I'll always do a video on it. I'm trying to be as consistent as possible, because I haven't been so consistent, because trying to balance photo shoots and YouTube videos. But I've planned myself nowadays. I'll be doing a video on every single day. So guys, stay tuned and apply these ideas here in your business. And it doesn't have to be photography. Any other business which you're doing, apply it in your business, and trust me, it will be somewhere. See you in the next video. My name is Mutemwa, and I'm out.